Want a Coursera certificate but can't afford the price? Good news! Coursera has financial aid. And yes, you can earn the official certificate for free or low cost. Here's exactly how it works, step by step. Quick note before we start. If you plan to complete multiple certificates, Coursera Plus might be easier. Right now, Coursera Plus Annual is $80 per year instead of around $160, with a 7-day free trial. This New Year offer ends February 2nd, 2026. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description. Coursera Financial Aid allows you to access a paid course and still earn the certificate without paying full price. But you only get the certificate if you follow the rules. You must get approved, finish the course correctly, and meet the certificate requirements. First, choose a course or specialization that shows financial aid available on the course page. Then click that option and start the application. Coursera will ask questions about your background and why you need financial aid. After you submit your financial aid application, you wait for approval. Once it gets approved, Coursera unlocks the paid content, so you can complete assignments and earn the certificate normally. To get the certificate, you must complete what the course requires, including lessons, quizzes, and graded assignments. Some courses also require name verification and sometimes ID verification before the certificate is issued. Also, some courses require name verification and sometimes ID verification before the certificate is issued. After you complete the course, Coursera will generate your certificate automatically. You can usually find it under Accomplishments or directly inside the course page. Quick warning: Coursera Financial Aid is valid for 180 days after approval. So, if you don't finish the course and earn the certificate within that time, you may need to apply again. And if it still says Buy Certificate, it usually means you didn't complete all graded items, your name or ID wasn't verified, or the course wasn't unlocked properly under financial aid. If you want, I'll make a full tutorial next on how to write a strong financial aid application. And if you want the fastest way to earn multiple certificates, check the Coursera Plus annual deal for $80 per year before February 2nd, 2026. My affiliate link is in the description.